Hey friends and followers, got another one here at Rogers Motor Cars. This is a 2023 Ford Raptor R. Beautiful truck, very desirable trucks. This one has 29,000 miles, locally sourced right here in Houston. Gorgeous black, it's got the black Recaro seats inside. Got the decals back there, beadlock wheels, power running boards. Bed liner's done. It's got the panoramic roof. Sounds great. It's got all the buttons for steering and suspension and exhaust. The trucks are a lot of fun to drive. Power boards right there. Very clean interior. It's got the speakers in the headrests even. Take a look up here. Look at this bolster. Very nice and clean here. No wear. You see you got the speakers in there. Pano roof. Hop in here. We've got adaptive cruise. Got your R button. Change the exhaust note and everything. Blind spot. Mileage right there, 29,728. Very low mileage. This is a non-smoker truck. Hot cold seats, charger. Console looks really good here. Let's pop this open there, right there. We do have 2 keys. 2 keys for this one. Very, very nice. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. If you've got your own financing, that's great. If you need financing, we have a couple of options. If you want to try, we do offer extended warranties as well. This truck's had all ceramic coating done as well, graphene on the plastics. Paint looks beautiful. Give us a call, text, or email. We do respond pretty quick. Love to help you out, answer any questions. If there's extra pictures you want or video or anything, just call. We'll get you what you need. Subscribe to the channel, please. Like the video. Check us out on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. Hope to hear from you on this one. Let's get a deal done. Beautiful truck, Raptor R, 2023, 29,000 miles. Thanks for watching.